Okay, Asia session live. Looking at Aussie Swiss right now. Aussie Swiss on the daily, our time frame breakout levels all bearish, peak bias are mixed. 3 months levels, we have the breakout right here. We flipped that breakout level, broke out below, and we're still breaking out below that breakout level. So this is a breakout high, and we're below it. So that turns all of that into a possible swing point. This level right here. Flipped it, and then we've now broken out below the low. Looks like we're in a range here, and we're outside of the range. So I have a bearish bias on the higher time frames. Monthly levels, we're in trend breakout. We have one breakout level here. Got above it. This is a fake out retracement, re-breakout, trend breakout. So now we're in a trend breakout on the monthly. So monthly traders have bearish bias on the weekly here. Here's the monthly levels breakout. And on the weekly, we have the weekly breakout level right here, faking out the high above it. This is a fake out retracement. So that's a breakout, breakout reversal. Flip the breakout level. That's a false breakout, fake out retracement. And now we're in a re-breakout. So I would expect price to continue on down. And now we're breaking out below the low of the previous week low. So we're in a trend breakout. Let me show this on the simple entry patterns here. It's a pullback one, breakout below, flip that breakout level, faked out the high, that's a fake out retracement, and then now we're in re-breakout over here, and then getting below that previous week low is a trend breakout. So that's what I'm looking at. Trend breakout on the weekly, and then on the daily, weekly close inside week. Here's the breakout level. So that's a fake out retracement, re-breakout, and now we're in trend breakout. What I want to see on the daily is for price to flip this breakout level. So we flip that, so it's a trend reversal, and now we're in a trend breakout. So we already reversed the trend from here. So price was pushing up, flipped that breakout level, and now getting below the low. So we're starting a new trend. I can see a range here on the daily. We're faking out the high of that range, and now we're at the low of the range. So I have to be careful about this. I definitely need price to get below this range low, or at least this would be safer to sell below that level. Okay, so hard time frames all pushing down because everything is now bearish. So I'm still looking for sells. We have a breakout right here. We broke out. Today's breakout day, daily breakout level, H8 breakout level. We have 2 time frame alignment. We've broken out, and now I'm just looking for some sort of continuation move. Okay, so I was working on some charts over this weekend, working on my setups here. So we have a breakout here, breakout level, fake out the high. That's a fake out retracement, re-breakout, and then trend breakout. So that's this one right here. It's my breakout setup. Breakout, we flip that breakout level, fake out the high. It's a fake out retracement. Flipping that breakout level is a re-breakout, and then breaking out is a trend breakout. So this is the way that I would enter breakout trades. And if I miss that breakout trade, then I'm looking for a retracement. So price has already broken out, and broken out again. So breakout, breakout. And now what I'm looking for is a fake out retracement move. So I want to see a pullback, fake out the high above that breakout level, and then getting down. So let's see here. Maybe on the 10-minute, because I'm looking at the 4-hour has broken out. Okay, so got that move here. Fake out retracement move, breakout, flip the breakout level, faking out the high. And now I could take this one, but fake out retracement, can't take this one, it's too tight. So I'm looking for the re-breakout or the trend breakout below here. So we've gotten below that. And so what I want to see is I want to see some sort of pattern for me to take this. Right now I can only see the re-breakout move. We have breakout level here, flipped it, faking out the high, so I can only enter below here. Yep, so that's the entry pattern. I can only enter below here for now. Otherwise, what I want to see is the 1 hour close in breakout, so I can get an entry at the top over here. But again, we're kind of right at that low of the range, so I would prefer price to break out below. Come up, fake out the previous H4 high already. Okay, either I'm going to take an entry here or here. Timing is a little bit too close to the next hour, so I'm probably going to wait for that 1 hour bar. Okay, so Aussie Swiss coming down, faked out the high of the range. We're still inside of a range on the H1. Just closed. This is a re-breakout. This is an entry for me. I could take this one. Confirmation is below the H1 low. I'm going to split my position here. If price gets below here, I'm going to wait for zeros and fives here. I want to see 30 seconds close below. Did not close below, so no entry yet. So I'm essentially just looking at the clock, and I want to see where closing price is. I want to see continuation. And if there's continuation on 15 seconds and fives and zeros, then I don't mind taking this one. Okay, since we're so close to that minute close, I'm going to wait for that minute to close. I just want to see some continuation here. No continuation. Okay, no entry yet. I have to be careful that we're in a range here. We are below the daily range, so that's good. Okay, so again, I'm taking that retracement move. Pull back, fake out retracement, and then re-breakout. So I'm looking for the re-breakout. So I got that re-breakout here, and I'm looking for an entry down here. I just want to see price continuing down. Okay, here we go. So we'll see a 1 minute closure below. Okay, we got a closure. Okay, entered on this move right here. Stop loss is at the high. Let's see here. At the high of the H1. Yeah, so right above this entire structure. Okay, so this is one trade. You're going to see how it behaves at the low of the month. And I'll be sizing in. So I got one entry here. Going to take the trend breakout here, and then the final one below that entire range. So it's a trend reversal on the 3 months. So what that usually means is that we're starting a new trend. So we did pull back up. Not the cleanest, not the best trend reversal. The best trend reversals are at these peaks. This one looks like it's just a small little mini one at the higher of the range. So I would try to hold it down even further, but I definitely don't have the stomach to hold that far. But let's see how this goes. I'm gonna see at the 3 months, and I do want to see if price can get all the way down to that range. I don't see any other level over here. Yeah, so I'll see how it behaves at that range, but the final target is going to be at this 3 months range low. See if I can spot any other. Okay, there's a fake out level here. Yeah, okay. So these are going to be the places I'm going to be looking at. Going to size in when we get here, and another one down below here. This is going to be the first target, which was low of that 3 months range low. And if we can break past this range, then I'm going to be holding it down to 3 months range low. Oh, sorry. First target is going to be at that weekly level. And if we can get past that, I'm going to hold it down to low of the month. And most likely I'll take full down here. And then I'll try to get in on a pullback. If it can get past this range, then I'll look for a pullback to continue this down. Okay, but for now, going to wait to size in here, and then last one over here. Okay, price coming down below this H1 low. It's going to be a trend breakout. So again, we have breakout level. It's a breakout low coming up. Fake out retracement move up here. Re-breakout. That was my first position. Second position is going to be down below here, which is the trend breakout. Not the best one, which is why I'm not putting full position. Best trend breakout will be down below this low, below here. Okay, 1 minute here. Wait for closure and then continuation. Okay, we close below, looking for continuation. Again, I'm looking for fives and zeros below this move. So the whole idea is we've closed below, and now I just want to see price continue on down. I'm just looking at where closing price is in relation to that previous price close. Okay, we're closing below. I want to see some closure here. The last bar closed inside bar. I want to see closure that closes outside, took out that range, and now I'm looking for continuation here, and that's good enough for me. So there you go. Second position in right here. This price broke that low, and stop loss is in the same area. Okay, that's my second position. Down to the low of the month. And gonna wait for that third position. Gonna look for a third position down here when we broke out below. So this technically is a trend breakout, but the better trend breakout is below the low of this level. So I'm waiting to size in again here. And this would also be a trend breakout on the M15 as well. So we have a breakout, fake out retracement. It's that re-breakout move, and then this is a trend breakout. So we're continuing a trend, and then we're breaking out below again. And so I'm looking for more trend breakouts from down below. Okay, we're breaking out below and looking for continuation here. We already have continuation, so there you go. Entered, price got below, stop loss at the high again. So this is my final position on this setup, and I'm gonna look for this move down to the low this 3 months, and I'll probably go break even when price gets to this weekly level. This one right here. Okay, so that's it. 3 positions in. Let's see where this goes. Okay, price came down, triggered that alert for the weekly fake out level. 45 minutes until the H8 closes. I'm going to wait to see what happens at that H8 close. If it fakes out the previous H8 low and comes back in on the M15, then I'll probably look to go break even at that time. Otherwise, I'm just letting this run. So the whole way down is about 6R if it gets all the way to the low. But otherwise, yeah, just going to let this run, see what happens here. No reason for me to exit. 100% confidence pushing down, monthly, weekly, daily, everything just pushing down. We've triggered the current previous month low, broke out of the current previous week low, broke out of current day low. There's absolutely no reason for me to do anything here but just hold on to this. These sort of trades, I'm perfectly fine for it to come back and take me out. There's just no reason for me to do anything. 100% confidence pushing down. Even if 3 months isn't a trend reversal, these are the sort of trades that you just got to let them run. There are some days that it'll come out, take me out, but the days that it actually runs, there's so much potential to pick up so much more. Just all the way down here. A lot of potential with this one, so I'm fine just holding on to this. Okay, so not going to do anything until I see what happens at this H8 close. Okay, the H8 closed in breakout. Now we have a trend retracement on the H8. It's starting to pull back here. Looking for a continuation pattern. Right now I see a pullback entry pattern. Broke out. Here's a breakout. Flip that breakout. Getting above the high is a fake out retracement. Flipping that breakout level is a re-breakout. So we've triggered that H2. If I want to trade that H2 bar, I drop down to the 2-minute. Want to see a bit better detail over here. So right now I see another simple entry pattern. We have a breakout over here. And this looks like I can see the reversal entry pattern over here. So what I want to see on this time frame, we have a breakout. I'd like to see a fake out of this M30 high. If you get the fake out of this, then I can enter as price flips that breakout level. And if it doesn't trigger that, then I can get in if price gets below this M30 low. So I do think I'll be sizing into this trade. So one of these two areas, I'll be looking at this trade again. So again, it is kind of pulling back, has not triggered the H8 low. So I'm not really worried about this pullback yet. I'm looking at this as just a little bit of a retracement of this bar. We have triggered that level. And so this actually gives me a little bit of concern. But again, higher time frames are all pushing in one direction. So I'm looking at this as just a pullback. I want to see price fake out this level, and then I'll get in on the flip. Next M30 is in 30 minutes. So let's see what happens here. In order to take the trend retracement on the M15, I need to see a fake out of the H2 high. So that's on the 5-minute. So I'm just trying to figure out which time frame to look at. It has faked out the H2 high, but this is that pullback pattern. I'd rather trade the reversal pattern instead. Safer trade on this one is a breakout of the H2 low, which is right over here. Next H2 in 1.5 hours. Yeah, so nothing, I'm not going to do anything, just leaving my stops right above there. If we get down below here, I might add one more position. Otherwise, I'll be waiting for London Open at 3, or maybe even German Open. Okay. Okay, we just have a trend reversal. A trend breakout here. Breakout, fake out, retracement, re-breakout, and getting back under. This is a pullback entry pattern. This one right here. And it's coming after a breakout of the H8 high. So I can take this, looking for a continuation here. If we get continuation, I'm going to size into this trade. Okay, so we got looking for zeros and fives to close, waiting for the 15-second. That tells me that the 15-second closed below. Okay, so just entered one more position here, sizing in. So third position in. And that's it. Now I'm going to wait for London Open. Okay. I didn't end up trading London session, just let it run, had some stuff to do. So we have 1 more hour until the H8 bar closes. I would expect a bit of a retracement coming soon. And right here on the H8 bar, we have a breakout of the H8, broke out, and now it's kind of struggling to get beneath this H2 low. So there's a possibility that price will start retracing now. So I'm going to take some profits here. Didn't hit the target yet. My target was all the way down low. Sometimes it doesn't happen, sometimes it does, but I would expect a bit of retracement here. So I'm going to take some partials on my positions and let this go. So I'm going to take some partials and then just going to let this run and start a new video in New York session here. So the final target for me is down here at the previous 3 months range low. We're in that range. We just faked out the high of the range, flipped that breakout level. That's a trend reversal. Getting below the low here is a trend reversal. So I would expect price to continue on down. So I do want to see if price can get all the way down to the low of this that bar. 100% confidence pushing down. Absolutely no reason for me to do anything here. I'm just going to let this run, take some partials, and go. I already took my partials here. This might continue on down, but it's okay. This H8 bar, 1 more hour, I do expect a bit of a pullback. Won't trade this in New York. So I'm just going to let the runners do their thing. All right, that's it. Asia session done. Again, I didn't trade London, and I'll be back in New York. Did see, actually, I did not see gold. I don't know why I did not see gold. I am bullish on gold, wanted to buy gold. Had a nice entry. I just did not see it. This one right here would have been good. We have a false breakout move here. Breakout reversal, false breakout, trend reversal. That would have been really nice. to take. What time was that? 8:30. Oh, yeah, I was having breakfast around this time. So, yeah, that's probably why I didn't see that. But yeah, gold moving really nicely. That was a good one. D30 had another nice one as well. Internet kind of crashed for a second here. DE30 London session here did not take this. But when I came to the charts just now, I just saw this. So we did have a breakout reversal on the monthly here. And then we have a flip of the weekly breakout level. Right, so breakout, faked out the high, that's a breakout reversal, false breakout, and then getting below the week low was a trend reversal, and then today starting a trend breakout. So weekly is in trend breakout. Daily broke out, and coming into the session would have been nice to take this one right here, breakout. And if you want to trade the continuation, we have the H2 breakout level right here. So price came down. This is a fake out retracement move and back to a rebreakout. This one right here. Could have taken this one. And I've actually been updating my setup. So this is actually a breakout setup over here. So price broke out, trend breakout, faked out the low. Actually retracement, faked out the low over here, flipped the breakout level, faked out the high. That's a fake out retracement. Actually, I consider this more of a breakout continuation. And these blue ones, you can drop down to lower time frames. So whenever you fake out a high or fake out a low, you can drop down to lower time frames. So this one, breakout continuation, you can drop down to the 2 minute here and then trade that move on the 2 minute instead of that 5 minute. So over here you have, oops, that's 3 minute. Here you have that breakout bar coming into the session, and then you have breakout, fake out of the high, and then that's a false breakout move. And then you could size in when you break out below one of these lows for that trend reversal move. So this would have been a nice entry as well. False breakout move would have been up here, and then trend reversal move somewhere down here. Could have sized into that. Yeah, so that's another nice one. Haven't put these setups yet on the subscription, but still working on them. But they're looking really nice. Really happy with them. In this case, this is a false breakout move. So we broke out, flipped breakout level, faked out the high. That's a breakout reversal. Then flipping that breakout level is a false breakout. And then could have taken that one down and then trend reversal for that continuation move. So really nice move there. And when you trade breakout reversals, I would expect price to get down to these breakout levels. So this is a monthly breakout reversal. So the target would have been that monthly breakout level right down here. And actually there's a weekly breakout level here. So see how price behaves over there. 5-arm move. Would have been a nice one. I just wasn't trading, so didn't see that one. So I got the breakout setups here, and these are reversal setups as well. So this particular one, you flip that breakout level and come down back to that breakout level. So one of these ones here, or it could be, these are quick ones, simple ones, and then these ones take a bit longer. So this one could be the longer one. So you have a flip of that breakout level, coming down, trend reversal, and then trend breakout. Didn't pull back or anything, went right to that trend breakout, back to that breakout level. So yeah, so these are reversal setups, great to trade on breakout reversal and fake out retracement cycles. And then you have the breakout setups where you trade all those breakout cycles. But I'll add them to the subscription soon. I'm in the middle of trying to get that strategy videos all worked out. It's looking real good. Really happy with it. Just give me like a little more time. Kind of a perfectionist. So, all right. Anyways, gonna be done with this one and start New York session.